I'm going to be going over how I cut out my stone countertops to install the top mount sink you saw in the intro. Fun always starts with emptying out under the sink, right? It's amazing how much cleaning products you have under there. Started with shutting off the water, supplies, and disconnecting the supply hoses, loosening the compression nuts on the P-traps and carefully removing those. I'm loosening the mounting screws that hold the current sink in place. The mounting hardware on the sink had failed and it was dropping away from the countertops, so it was a perfect excuse for us to do a little DIY upgrade. I like to start with masking off the cutting area. It gives you an easy surface to mark on and helps protect from any chipping and scratching. Just a standard masking tape or blue painter's tape will do just fine. Sinks will come with a layout template like you see here. Tracing that outer edge will give you a nice clear line to cut. You will want to avoid any sharp corners cutting past the edge. A nice rounded corner will help ensure you don't have any cracks down the road. A 3/4 inch diamond hole saw in the corners provides a nice radius to cut into. To cut the countertop, a diamond blade on your angle grinder will do the trick just fine, and a shop vac following along kept a lot of the dust down. Take your time, make an initial cut first, about 1/4 to a 1/2 inch deep. Follow back along until you've cut all the way through. Cleaning up any dust and remove the tape. Just water does the trick here. From here, it's straightforward install of your sink and faucet. Seal the sink down with some silicone. And clean up the edges. Install the faucet of your choice and replumb the sink. A fairly simple DIY upgrade that can seem pretty intimidating is really pretty straightforward and easy. It'd mean the world to me if you guys would like this video and subscribe and hit that bell notification so you know when I put out any more content. Thanks for watching and go make something.